When everyone turns away and only one person asks for help, will you do what's right or will you stay quiet like everyone else? This is the story of a blind beggar and the famous Caliph of Baghdad, a ruler known for his wisdom and fairness. The sun comes up over Baghdad. People hurry through the busy market. There is laughter and shouting in the air. Coins ring in greedy hands and rattle in empty bowls. Under the old fig tree, Umar sits. He is a thin, blind beggar sitting alone on his mat. His cane is beside him. His bowl is open in front of him. He listens to the city, but he only catches small moments. Every day, Umar waits. He listens for someone to be kind. Most days, only silence answers him. Sometimes, a kind merchant drops a coin into Umar's bowl. Umar smiles and gives thanks from his heart. Kindness is rare, and hunger is never far away. One busy morning, a man named Zaid comes. He is a rich merchant, proud and loud. Zaid sees Umar's bowl full of hard-earned coins and laughs in a mean way.
"These coins are for real men, not beggars," Zaid says.
"Please, sir, it's all I have to eat today," Umar begs. The people watch, but nobody steps forward to help. Someone whispers, "He's just a beggar." Zaid grins, sweeps up Umar's coins, and walks away like he did nothing wrong. Umar hugs his empty bowl. His tears fall onto the ground. At night, the market is quiet. The lanterns are weak against the darkness. Umar sits, cold and hungry, listening to happy voices far away as others eat together. His stomach hurts, but his heart hurts more. He wonders, where is justice for the poor? Somewhere else in the city, Caliph Ma'mun walks in simple clothes. He is not wearing royal robes. He listens and watches the people, searching for the truth. He hears soft crying. He follows the sound and finds Umar under the fig tree. The Caliph kneels beside him. "Brother, why are you crying?" the Caliph asks. Umar tells the Caliph everything about Zaid, the stolen coins, and how no one cared. The Caliph listens carefully, and his face shows both anger and sadness. "Come back here tomorrow morning," the Caliph says. "Justice will be served."
Umar wipes his tears. For the first time in years, he feels a little hope. Morning comes. Sunlight fills the market. A crowd gathers. The Caliph, in his royal robes now, stands tall with his guards. His voice is strong. "Bring Zaid here." Zaid is brought forward. Everyone goes quiet. The Caliph speaks. "Umar, tell everyone what happened." Umar speaks the truth. Every detail, every pain. Zaid says, "How could he know? He's blind." The Caliph asks for 2 bowls. One has old, rough coins. The other has new, shiny coins. He speaks gently, but with authority. "Umar, can you find your coins?" Umar's hands shake as he feels both bowls. He picks the bowl of old, worn coins. "These are mine," he says. "I know them by touch." The Caliph nods. He announces, "Umar tells the truth. Zaid, you not only stole, you mocked fairness." The crowd is shocked. "Zaid, you must return what you stole. Give him double. And you will work at the city hospital for 1 month to help those in need." Zaid hangs his head in shame. The Caliph kneels next to Umar and says softly, "From today, you can sit at my council. Your voice matters. You will speak for the people who cannot." People clap and some wipe away tears. For the first time, Umar smiles from deep inside. He feels truly seen. From then on, Umar sits under his fig tree. But now, he is never alone. His neighbors greet him. He eats good bread. Coins fill his bowl. He looks up feeling proud. Baghdad is different now. People remember. Justice is for everyone, no matter how small. Now, I ask you, if you saw someone being treated unfairly, would you speak up?
Or would you walk away? Let your heart decide.